Hey everybody, this is our 12 by 20 lean-to shed that we built. On today's video, I'm going to show you guys exactly how we built it from the very beginning. Now we did a video on this shed in the past, but I never actually finished all the parts to it. So in this video, we're going to show you everything from start to finish. It's only about a 20-minute video, but it's very fast-paced. Enjoy! Hey guys, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. We really do appreciate it. This would be like my shop, my little tool shed where I keep all my stuff. I'm very excited about this. I am not a carpenter. This is a true DIY shed build. So the first thing I'm going to do is build my foundation. So I'm going to build this in two parts. It's going to be two parts that are 10 foot by 12 foot. And then when you put them together, it's going to be 20 foot by 12 foot. Now I'm taking a tape measure and I'm marking out 16 on center, and this is where my joists are going to go. Right now, I'm securing these with screws. It's tightening them up really well, but I am going to go back and put joist hangers on every single one once I get everything put together. So now that I got the first section all done, I'm going to go ahead and get it set up on these center blocks here. I'm going to get these center blocks all leveled off, get it all squared, and then we're going to work on the second one. So I have my 12 by 10 frame right here. This is just half of the shed, okay? So I'm doing it in two sections. There's going to be two 12 by 10s put together, and that is going to make a 12 by 20. So I have to build another one just like it, which I started, and that's what it's going to look like when it's all done. So this one here, I went and I leveled it off. I put cinder blocks. I had to dig some of them in the ground, so it's sitting on blocks on all the corners and in the middles, and everything is level. This one's completely level. It's squared. To get a square, you run a tape measure from one corner to the other, get the measurement, and then from that corner to this corner, you should have the same measurement. That's how you get it all squared. If you have to adjust it, you may have to, pull this left or right depending on, what you need. So anyways, I got that one all leveled off. Everything looks great. So once I get this one all built and get it all leveled off and squared up on blocks, I'm gonna go back, I'm gonna put joist hangers on every single joist, and that'll really help support this. So there you have it. I have both sides built. I went ahead and I pushed this side up against it. Now it's not nailed together yet. It's not bolted. It's just sitting there until I get this side squared off and leveled. So I have to adjust these cinder blocks, get everything perfect, and then I'll go back and I'll nail it, and I'll put lag bolts all the way down the middle. I'm also going to put blocking down the middle on each of them just to really support this, and then also my joist hangers. And after that, we should be ready for plywood. That is 20 foot by 12 foot. Pretty big shed. And then just for extra support and peace of mind, I'm going to stagger some 4x4 posts with concrete, and I'm going to bolt these all down. I'm just going to put them all over the place just for, extra support in the floor.
So now I'm going to be joining these two together using these big lag bolts and some nuts and washers on them. These are actually a little bit too long. I bought these for the deck, but I think it's going to work for this.
So I am using 3/4 inch plywood, which is your basic plywood for like a subfloor or something. That's what I chose to go with so I can roll around my toolboxes. I don't have to worry about anything falling through the floor. It's just the safer option. So I am pre-cutting all my studs to size, and I'm going to lay them over in piles, and then we're going to assemble all the walls at once. The front wall and the back wall are both going to be built in 2 pieces, and then the 2 sides will be 1 piece. So the 2 sides and the back wall will all be 8 foot 9 inches, and the front wall is going to be 9 foot 9 inches. That gives my lean-to roof a 12-inch slope from the front to the back, which is plenty here in Florida just for rainwater. We don't get any snow. So as I get these walls assembled, I slide them out of the way to make room, and I'm going to build my next ones right on the platform.
You guys, here goes the 12-foot wall going up. This is our very first wall. It all starts somewhere. Ready? Let's set her up. Yep. Oh, all right, just hold it right there for a second. Can you hold it right here in the middle without letting it fall?
I can try.
Still pretty straight?
I guess.
You should be able to let go. Ah. Let's see.
Stop, don't touch it.
Looks good.
It's actually pretty tall.
Yeah. I like it. All right, let's get the next one.
I don't want to drop it because if I drop it, I won't get it up. Oh no. Oh
no. Let's walk it up.
Oh. Okay. All right, wait.
You ready?
Okay. I can't move it.
All right, you go on that side.
I know what I'm saying.
This one, we're just going to walk straight up, and then I'll stand it up.
So this goes over here?
Yeah. Oh. Now, I need to go your way. So you actually got to pick it up, though. You can't slide it.
Oh.
You got to get it in between the wall.
Okay. Maybe we should switch.
Huh?
Maybe we should switch.
Okay. Got this side?
Fortune. Hello.
Hi. All right, here we go. Are you ready?
No. Oh, wait.
Almost there, huh? Oh, too far.
Oh no. Oh no. Okay.
That's pretty good.
Oh my goodness.
Man, this one seems extra heavy, man.
This is ridiculous. I think my body just knows this is the last one, so it's like, how about you just make that a whole door?
This?
Yeah.
It's gonna be a big door, yeah. That's why I haven't framed it yet, because I don't know what size door I'm doing. I haven't found the door.
Well, prep yourself for like a roll up, something big.
I would like a roll up.
The whole thing.
Here's the door that I picked up. This is a 100-inch door, well, 99-inch. It's a little bit over 8 foot. Used roll-up door. So we are making a header. So this is a 2x8 here. It's measured out to the size of between the jack studs. That's a 2x8. And then I'm taking some 1/2-inch plywood. Okay. And we are going to sandwich that in between another 2x8 on top. So look at that, guys. I just bolted in. That's a good looking header, huh? So we have the door all installed and ready to go up in the air. So what I did is I bolted it on to these jack studs here. I went to Tractor Supply and got these lag bolts, and that's what I used to install it.
Oh, there's water getting in the shed.
There's some dirt there, and some spider webs.
So for these rafters, I am using 2x8 by 14 foot long boards. They are going to overhang 1 foot on the front and the back.
All the rafters are done and hurricane strapped down. I'm going to space these out every 24 inches all the way across the roof and screw them down. Look at that, we are all ready to go. We have our wood strips on, ready for metal roofing. So we finished the roof. I'm sorry I didn't have you guys more involved in it, but it started raining on us. Right when I got up to here, it started pouring down rain. So it is the next day. Just want to show you guys. Amanda is sweeping, and it looks like it's gonna rain again today. Look at that. Just in time for having a roof on. Well, we have one window in, and I know what you guys are thinking, Dan, you didn't caulk the window, you didn't do any of that. That's because I'm gonna take it back out, because we're gonna paint the outside of the building. This is just temporary, just so I got the window in. Then it's just 2 screws, I can take it back out, paint the building, and then I'll go back and caulk it, do everything the right way. Just that way I can spray the whole building with my paint instead of taping over windows and stuff. Just easier for me. I am so happy with what we got accomplished. So I'm gonna do a complete walk around and just show you real quick. So I got all the siding on. Looks really good. I put 2 windows in the front. All right, here's a side view. As you can see, the roof panels come over and they overlap for the rain. Now on the other side, I am short 1 panel. So I got 1 more roof panel on order. But I didn't put no windows in the back yet. I got 2 more I think I'll put in the back. And there'll be a piece of trim that will be caulked going along where the seam is, where the 2 siding panels meet. But this is that LT smart panel, or LP smart panel, whatever it is. It doesn't rot, termite resistant. So as you can see, I need 1 more roof panel right there.
So this shed has turned out absolutely amazing. I'm very happy with the way it turned out. We still have a lot of trim to do. We got all the trim to do on the sides, around the windows. So that's gonna be on another video. But next time, you guys, we're gonna be spray foaming the inside of the shed. So make sure you guys tune back in if you wanna see us spray foam it. We've never done it before, so we're gonna do it together. Anyways, we will see you guys on the next one. Bye.